Hi, Recreation Coordinator Chris Garrett here, and I'm not as young as I look. I am this many years old. So, the other day, a friend of mine, the same age as I am, posted on Facebook a shot of himself doing an ollie for the first time ever in his life. I guess this quarantine has given us time to work on some new tricks. So, what I'm going to do today is I am going to attempt, for the first time ever in my life, to pop a wheelie. I've seen kids hop on the bikes and they pop wheelies right off the bat. They just do it all the time, and it's just something I've never been able to do. So today I'm going to try and teach myself, and I'm going to let you see the results.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the playing of the national anthem of funk.
So it's a pretty good workout, but I don't really think I got anything really that qualified as a wheelie, but I'm gonna keep trying. I'm also gonna give you a chance. So let us know. You learn any new tricks over the quarantine? We'll see you next time on RSU5 Community Programs Remote Recreation.
Huh.